Hello guys, welcome to the info channels. I am Ranga from closecareer.com and today I want to discuss about the new UAE labor law. The UAE cabinet amended the previous labor law and many things have changed. The new amendment will go into effect on February 2, 2022 and I will discuss about that. Here are the 10 most significant changes in current labor law of the UAE. Number 1. Contract type. In the previous labor law, there were the two types of contract. One unlimited, the another is limited contract. But now there are other category also added, such as temporary and flexi. Employer can recruit the temporary worker for the certain length of time for the specific project. Flexi worker who work according to the needs of the company, and the part-time worker who works on the part-time basis. Number 2, recruitment cost and procedure. The legislation also specifies that the employer is responsible for whole recruitment process and the collecting the fee from the worker is illegal. It also prohibited the employer from keeping employee official documents such as passport and other. Employees have the choice to seek the work in the other company after finishing their contract with current employer. Number 3, minimum wage. Previously, there was no minimum wage in this country. But now the cabinet will determine the minimum wage for the private sector employee, which will applicable most of the sector. This is the unusual step in the Gulf labor market, because most of the nations in the Gulf region do not have the minimum wage policy. Number 4, end service benefit. If you work for the organization more than 1 year, you are entitled to 20 days compensation each year for the first 5 years and 30 days salary for each year after 5 years. Number 5, obligation of the employee and employer. The employer is responsible for providing the appropriate housing, protection and prevention, as well as training and supporting the employee in the development of the skill. Meanwhile, the employees are also accountable for adhering to the terms and conditions outlined in the labor contract. Number 6, removing the unlimited contract. The new UAE labor law has removed the unlimited contract and require the employer and employee to convert the unlimited contract to the limited contract within 1 year. This is a time frame. The employer and employees who have the unlimited contract must convert to the limited contract. Limited contract time have been extended from 2 years to 3 years, and it can be renewed after the 3 years if both parties, employer and employees, agree to continue the services. Number 7, leave. Working father can now take the 5 days of paternity leave and mother to take the 45 days of maternity leave and the additional 15 days at half pay. If the child is born with a disability, the mother is entitled to 75 days of paid leave and additional 30 days of unpaid leave. Employees are entitled to 5 days of mourning leave for the death of the spouse and the 3 days for the death of the family member. Every employee in the private sector get rest or day once a week and 30 days of the vacation each year. And if you want to learn more, you can visit our website. There we have written everything that is mentioned on the UAE labor law. Number 8, salary and payment. The organization can pay salary to the employee in the UAE dirhams or any other currency specified in the contract paper. The former labor law required the employer to pay the salary in the local currency, but now they can pay in euro, they can pay in dollar, they can pay in any specified currency that is mentioned on the labor contract. Number 9, anti-discriminations and the workplace harassment. The new rule prohibits the employer from recruiting the employees based on the gender, race, color, nationality, religion, socio-economic status, or the disability. Harassment of the any kind of in the workplace will take seriously, and bullying or any form of verbal or sexual harassments in the workplace by the employer or the superiors is illegal. Number 10, probation rule. The probation rule remains the 6 month. If the employer wishes to terminate the employee's contract, he or she must offer the 14 days notice. In the previous labor arrangement, the contract termination during the probation period was immediate. But now the employer have to give the 14-day notice to the employee. If an employee wishes to leave the nation after quitting their employment, they must notify the employer before 14 days. An employee wishes to change his or her job, they must give the current employer a month notice. These above are the 10 most important things that have included in the UAE labor law of the country. If you want to get more information about this video, you can visit our website www.closecareer.com, and I have provided the link of the website on the video description box. You can click that link and redirect to the company website. Are you new for this channel? If you are new, I request you to subscribe our channel because you will get the notifications when I upload the new video on this channel. And at the last long time I didn't make the video for this channel because I was working on my website. Now I am come back and I will make the video every week. If it is possible, every day I will give you the information about the job market, and I will teach whatever I have learned. Thank you and bye for now.